Hi, hello, welcome to our brand new show Unboxing Raja. We are unboxing a brand new kitchen useful item, Prestige Omega Set Place Kitchen Handy with 4 liters capacity. This is very useful item to homemakers, cooks, chefs and also cooking interested persons. This Prestige brand new 4 liters kitchen handy was very good item to cook food and serve love. We all know about Prestige's famous motto that a person who has love on his wife cannot avoid Prestige. So friends, all of you know very well that our channel will unbox not only tech gadgets but also home, kitchen and decor items. Won't wait, let's get into the unboxing. This is the Prestige Omega Select Place GHAR Kitchen Handy with 4 liters capacity. It has unique design on the box. You can find all its specs on its box. Let me explain detail. Trim, scratch and absorption resistance coating, superior non-stick release performance, PFOA free coating for healthy cooking, designed to last longer. So you can also find more specs at the bottom of the box. Scratch and operation resistant technology, 3-layer metal spoon friendly coating, and also it has sturdy handle. It is also offering more home appliances like kitchen hood, also called as kitchen chimneys or hob, apple cooker, bread toaster, induction cooktops and gas stoves and much more. For friendly, unique, perfect, comfortable, long durable cooking. And friends, now we can experience taste, high performance and health all in one place. The new and improved Omega Select Place makes cooking safer and your health better. Its new and improved coating ensures durability and poses no harm to food. All in all, smart cookware for a smart kitchen. Okay friends, in the box you can find these items: one Omega Select Place Kitchen Handy with 4 liters capacity, one steel lid, one manual, one sticker and one scrubber. So friends, now we should discuss about instructions, or also we call as do's and don'ts. first we should discuss about do's. First one is use wooden sticks. Second one is wash with the help of scrubbers. Third one is wipe with the help of a clean cloth after the wash. And friends, now we should discuss about don'ts. The first one is don't use sharp edge ladles like metal spoons, metal sticks, etc. Second one is don't wash when the handy was hot. Last but not the least one is don't heat the handy when it has nothing in it. So friends, now we have to discuss about its price. Friends, its price is around 1630 rupees, but you can buy it from Flipkart at 1270 rupees. And link is available in the description box. And if you use your Axis Bank bus credit card, then you can also get 10% discount. So friends, this Prestige Omega Select Plus Kitchen Handy with 4 liters capacity has some pros and cons also. Shall we discuss? First we should discuss about pros. It has good design, it has long durability, and it also has a metal spoon friendly feature. It has only one con, that is it doesn't have granite finish. It comes with 3-layer coating, so we can't get granite finish in it. So friends, this is the Prestige Omega Select Plus Kitchen Handy with 4 liters capacity. Today we unboxed it, and next time we will meet with another unboxing session. Until then, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family, then they can also get some useful information from this video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next episode.